Northhead
Australian Memorial Walk
Park.
Park. This is protected by Australian Council. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go for a walk here. My friend and I, Emma, decided to go. Yan.
That's the one. Yeah.
So we're having a power walk with National Park Memorial Walk Observation Picnic area.
It's quite chilly.
Ano tsura ko dyan?
Chill. Huh?
Okay ba tsura ko?
Yes.
Ganda. Thank you. For sure maganda ako ah.
Yes. As always, like me. Of course, I have to include myself.
Ito dito.
Yeah.
So,
And here we go. Here is this Defense of Sydney Monument Memorial Walk Observation Platform. That's the one
Ganda
here.
nito tita oh.
It's pretty beautiful in here, actually. Look at that. I've been walking here. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. As well, I'm the one holding the camera today. And it's, sis, ang ganda, oh. Beautiful. Yeah, and then this place, I've been walking here with my husband and with my son as well. It's lots of time. And it's pretty quiet. It's,
A bit chilly and windy.
yeah, quiet. It's good to walk, you know, like just relax.
Pathway.
Yeah, look at that, how pretty it is. Yeah, and here, look at greens.
I'm gonna get one of these later. Put in my base.
I don't think you're allowed to get.
No, it's only one flower.
Okay.
Just one flower.
Here we go. Here, you see that there? Wow, look how beautiful it is.
I think this is the historical.
Yeah.
Historical.
Yeah. And that's, you see that there, that's the city. City. There. Yeah.
It's better to see over here, guys. Have a look. That is the tower.
City. I'm zooming it too.
Okay.
That's the city. CBD, Sydney. There. It's pretty beautiful place. Look at the sky. Blue sky. Perfect. That's the sky, blue sky. And this is the start to have a memorial walk.
This one
That's
is the
one.
Australian Commonwealth Military Force. And this is Commonwealth, part of Commonwealth. See? It said Royal Australian Navy, Australian Commonwealth Military Force. So
And
this is
that's-
one of the historical. Look at this. Lots of people, how they devote their life for us.
Yeah.
You know, so many hundreds of those
Yeah.
names. You can see on the ground, on the floor. This is all names.
Yeah.
They,
How they sacrifice their lives for Australia, for us. Like now we are now here living in this beautiful country. That's the one.
ilagay mo lang yung floor.
Yeah.
Mo siya. Dire-diretso mo siya hanggang dito.
Yeah. This one.
There's hundreds of them.
Look, Balgala, Clontarf,
Hundreds of them.
Roti here. Thousands of them, I reckon.
So
Yeah.
over the ground. This is invented by the Japan before. Look.
Yeah.
But you're not allowed to ride the bike here, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what is only walk, power walk. I think this one they making like so like this.
Another
That's
way.
it. Yeah. And there's few people as well doing the power walk.
Kala ko si Cosmo. Dahil
Good day.
explain this one
What happened in that
Abalitus,
we-
about the bushfire.
bushfire we did had it? It's like what early this year. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
because it's the sun.
Yeah.
They just too much sun, and then because our what do you call the on the air?
Yeah,
Our,
yeah, yeah. No, I think it's someone had lit the cigarette. I think that.
In here.
Yeah. I think this like a young kids. Not like about probably early 20.
But I thought this is from the weather from the sun. The sun is too much sunny weather, and they just
Yeah, this is before it was really greens in this beautiful place here before, and look what happened. It was did happen. Good morning. It happened early this year.
It's
This
amazing. It's New Zealand, world.
this is the history.
It's a colonial war.
There.
Para kita siya ng buong side siya pag ano. Sideway. Ayan. Yan ang lahat mga namatay noong unang panahon ng mga history ng mga sundalo, mga
Ang
army.
Australiano, yes.
Long time ago, before we were born. So they devoted their life for us.
The sacrifice, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we had,
Australians,
yeah.
Yeah, there's another one. There's too many. Here is it, World War One. Check that World War One.
And this one, Fairfax Lookout. There we go. This is Northhead, Northport, Fort, Northhead. There you go.
Galing na sis.
Lagi kami nagpupunta ni Johnny dito.
Kasi
Yun na.
last time na nagpunta ako rito, hindi pa ganito.
Ay,
Bago to sila.
Nandito na to, tapos ito, nung hindi pa nasunog yan, talagang super green yan. Ang ganda niya. That's the ocean. Over there. Oh, this ocean. Na ano nga to, di ba? Kasi may nag-iwan nga ng ano, naupo sa sigarilyo. Yun ang dinig ko sa ano There we go, so Memorial Walk. We continuing walking, see all this,
You can see
the
the
thousand.
floor is still 1,000 of people's names. You can see how far. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. This is really sad, and that's why
Yeah.
we have an Anzac Day because of this.
To
people.
pay respect.
This is a World War II.
This is a World
naman.
War II. There's one there.
My God.
Papua and New Guinea.
Sacrifice life for us. World War II. Inanap mo yung World War
Yeah.
Ganda.
Dinala ko sa isa dito, she likes it.
Well, everyone.
Ano ko siya, sabi niya, maganda pala dito, mama.
Oo. Ang ganda dito naman pa.
Post World
Pero bago
War
talaga
II.
to.
Yeah.
World War II. Another history about about the people. That's why we have Anzac Day, because of all this happening before. And we pay our respect, and we celebrate and pay our respect to the people who devoted their life, they sacrificed their life for us. So it's really sad to think about, and we are very thankful for those people. They
Who served their lives, sacrificed their
yeah.
lives for us.
So thank you so
Who
much.
is like for the country as well, for the people. Look at that beautiful sky too. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful.
Dito ang may ano yun ang about turkeys. That's the penguin.
Morning.
It's nice walk, isn't it? Nice weather. That's right. Very fortunate. This one is sit though. Have a look at this.
Yeah.
What they call daw eh.
Royal Australian Artillery Association, Victoria.
Victory.
Ito, stand up here. Victory? Here.
Kasi dito na siya nag-victory. Ang memorial book. Here we go again, guys. We're trying to show you again.
The beauty of Northhead, which is Northhead Manly.
This is-
There's a beauty as well. It's we here as well just to Paris, because well, every time we come in here, in Northhead, you get a hub to walk in this area. It's beautiful in here. Look at that. Tapos mamaya tayo ka sa gitna.
Ano ako?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the blogger.
Hi guys, me again. Hopefully, hindi kayo nagsasawa. Sila namin pakita yung history ng Australian during the World War I, II, and the victory and the keeping peace.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really a good one, that knowing about this, that we should care about more. And yeah, and I'm really thankful that I know all about this. And yeah, being an Aussie, Australian Aussie, you have
Yes.
to know about
How
this.
long you been here in Australia, sis?
Ever since I think I was 18.
So like about over nearly 30
No,
years.
I'm not gonna say my age.
Because I've been here. No, I've been here 20 years now.
Oh,
I came
okay.
millennium, so
I've been here before you.
yeah, before, yeah.
So yeah, I'm thankful that
Very
I
maganda.
can-
Sige, dahan-dahan ang walk and then, sige.
I'm very thankful because I come here in one of the good country in the world. I
The
would
best,
say,
actually, one of the
yes.
best.
And you have so much,
We had a 4-season weather.
yeah, for season weather. Yeah, we have winter, summer, spring, and the other one,
Autumn.
autumn. Yes, we have four. Not like in the Philippines, we have only two weather:
Rainy days.
rainy day and a sunny day.
Yeah.
So thank you guys, and we have to continue this later. We have to do a power walk now, like no videoing, but
Yeah.
we would just like to share with you about in the northern
The beauty.
beaches, about the history of about this. And it's really nice and sad as well the same time. But yeah, I would like to show you more part of Australian historical.
Yeah.
And as you can see that one.
Yeah. All right. I want to
you,
say
guys.
bye.
Thank you
Bye.
guys for watching. My friend Emma and I together, we're gonna do power walk to lose our tom.
Okay.
Bye. See you. Take care. Keep safe.